English poems for kids.
Hello students, how are you? Are you happy in the school?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You see rain outside.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's the weather today?
Rainy.
Well done. Students, now tell me what's the day today?
Monday.
Very good. Today's topic is to read parts of body. Students, do you see eyes, nose, hand, lips on the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
These are parts of our body. Now I will tell you the names of these body parts. This is elbow. These are eyes. These are shoulders. These are hands. This is tongue. This is head. This is nose. This is ear. These are knees. Now it's your turn.
Elbow, eyes, shoulder, hand, tongue, head, nose, ear, knees.
Excellent, students. Now we listen a poem.
10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 2 little lips to kiss mama goodnight.
Students, your body is so beautiful. So you should keep your body clean. You should make a habit of taking a bath. Brush your teeth in morning and evening. Clipping your nails. And checking the head lice. Now I will tell you about good touch and bad touch. Your body has some private parts. These are lips, chest, between your legs, and buttocks. Do not let anyone touch you on your body parts. If anyone touches you, follow these steps.
Step 1.
Shout loudly.
2. Go away from the person. Step 3. Tell trusted adults.
My body is my body, and it belongs to me. Nobody can touch it, no one but me. And if they try, I am going to yell, stop! And run, run, run as fast I can, and yell, and tell again and again.
Goodbye, students, and subscribe my channel.